When the concern is about the health, fitness, nutrition, and well being of my family, friends, and relatives, I always suggest and emphasize on natural organic products. And for this, I only recommend India's number one selling food products from Kothari's Natural Organic Food Products. I recently received this very amazing natural jaggery from them. It's totally organic, it smells really fresh, and its sweetness is perfect. It's really tasty, and not only the jaggery, they have an amazing variety and range of organic food products like from almonds, cashew nuts, safflower oil, brown rice, palm sugar, palm jaggery, and everything that you can name. Organic food products are a bit costly in the market because of several reasons, but they're definitely worth it. And I personally recommend only the natural organic food products. And Kothari's Royal Organic Food Products are one of the best natural organic food products that you can get from the market or from shopping apps like Amazon and Flipkart. So it's super easy to buy and they are totally safe for us. As I told that organic products are a bit costly in the market because of several reasons. One of the reasons is that the production of natural organic products are free from any artificial ways and methods, and it's free from insecticides and pesticides. It's totally natural and grown in a natural condition. So hence what we are getting from the market is totally safe for us and it's really beneficial for us. The production of the natural organic food products is a bit challenging for the farmers, the manufacturers, and everyone who are having their hand in producing them, because their production needs a lot of input, a lot of labor and hard work, as they are free from any artificial ways and methods. So what we are getting from the market is bit costly, but they totally worth it because it's totally safe and does not have any health harming elements. The production of the natural organic food products requires a lot of hard work and input, and in order to match with the quality of the product, the quantity of the outcome is comparatively low, and hence what we are getting from market is quality over the quantity. And that's what Kothari's Royal Organic Food is doing. They are prioritizing the quality over the quantity so that we can get the best among every product, and it's totally safe for our health. It's really beneficial, and again it's not at all harming towards our health. If you ask me the benefits of natural organic food products, so there are various, even countless benefits of natural organic food products. They are good for our health, they are good for our skin, they build our immunity. It builds our immunity every time when we consume it. It builds it stronger and stronger. Their production is free from insecticides and pesticides, so they are not even harmful towards the environment. They are grown in fully natural conditions, and hence they are totally safe and full of benefits, full of nutrients, and extremely good for our health. At last, I recommend all of you to please switch your food habits and choose only organic natural food products. And for this, don't go anywhere. Use India's number one selling organic food products from Kothari's Royal Organic Food Products. Healthy India's healthy food products, rich people, rich taste, only from Kothari's Royal Organic Food Products. I'm loving it and I request all of you to please try it. It's super good. It's totally safe, healthy, and it tastes amazing. And they are the number one selling food products from India, and they are totally completely natural organic food products. Keep healthy the organic way with Kothari's Royal Organic